Welcome to MaseroGarage.
In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to disassemble the dash on a 1975 to 1979 Chevy Nova. We took out the instrument cluster, we took out the glove box, we took out the ashtray, we took everything out so that we could get it ready for painting.
Yes, so if you'd like to see exactly how we did that, make sure to stick around.
We're going to begin by removing the Phillips screw that is in either side of the dashpad. In the instrument cluster area, it looks like perhaps there were some screws, but by the time we bought the car, all of those screws were gone, so we didn't have to remove any of them. Now the dashpad is ready to come out. I'm just wiggling it a little bit and pulling upwards so that I can take the dashpad out.
As you can see, there are barely any screws holding our instrument cluster in place, so these are the only two that are here, so these are the only two that we're going to remove. Next thing is to remove the stereo. We just pull it out and disconnect the wiring harness and the antenna.
Now I'm removing the wiring harness that connects to the AC controls. There is this other small connector that has to be removed. Please let me know below in the comments if you know what this is for. And there is this one last screw holding in place the AC controls. Now in the underneath left side of the instrument cluster we have this plug that is the control for the lights. We need to unplug this, and then we will need to unplug the connector for the wipers. It's really hard to show, but here if you follow this plastic tab all the way to the back, there are screws holding the instrument cluster in place. So try to get your hand behind it and remove those. After that, the instrument cluster trim is ready to be removed. Now we can take our plastic that covers the gauges, and behind the gauges we have two things to unplug. First is the wiring harness, and the second one will be the speedometer cable. This is the last screw we will be removing before taking out the instrument cluster.
To remove the ashtray, there's supposed to be screws on the top here and on the bottom, but we just have these two top ones. Once they're removed, you can slip the ashtray right out, and don't forget to disconnect the cigarette lighter cable. To remove the glove box compartment, there are 6 screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and 1 on either side. And finally, to remove the door of the glove box, we're using our 5/16 wrench to remove the 3 bolts at the bottom. So much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you want to see exactly how we painted the dash after disassembling it, make sure to check out our channel because we have a video of exactly how we did that, and it turned out pretty good.
And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the videos that we're putting out. We're currently working on like 3 or 4 videos, so please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support.
Yes.
Bye.
See you soon.